Be the most consistent.
I think I'm gonna go like this, like stay back.
Oh,
That's what these guys have been doing, and it hasn't been.
No?
It hasn't been good. You don't seem to get a good power on it. But maybe you're long.
I don't know.
Maybe
Yeah.
You're long enough that
it does seem like they're like kind of barely touching the ground half the time.
Yeah, you might be long enough that it'll be.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Yeah. What? Bad foot, bad foot. Ah! That was interesting.
Interesting fun?
I felt like I was doing good until I got to the corner. And then it was just all downhill from there.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Here, take that over and get your times downloaded.